Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change printer name in Windows 7, 8, and 10. Click Devices and Printers. Right-click Printer. Click Printer Properties. Change name of the printer. Click OK. Printer name is changed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.